Over the past 50 years, 3,000 ships and 100 planes have gone missing in a mysterious stretch of water in the Atlantic Ocean. One minute they are there, the next, they've vanished. They all have one thing in common: they all ventured into the Bermuda Triangle. The mystery behind the Bermuda Triangle might have finally been solved, at least that's what a Science Channel show claims. The Bermuda Triangle is a region of the North Atlantic Ocean, roughly, bounded by the southeastern coast of the US, Bermuda, and the islands of the Greater Antilles, Cuba, Hispaniola, Jamaica, and Puerto Rico. The exact boundaries of the Bermuda Triangle are not universally agreed upon. Approximations of the total area range between 500,000 and 1,510,000 square miles. By all approximations, the region has a vaguely triangular shape. The Bermuda Triangle does not appear on any world maps, and the U.S. Board on Geographic Names does not recognize the Bermuda Triangle as an official region of the Atlantic Ocean. Despite its reputation, the Bermuda Triangle does not have a high incidence of disappearances. Disappearances do not occur with greater frequency in the Bermuda Triangle than in any other comparable region of the Atlantic Ocean. In 2013, the World Wildlife Fund conducted an exhaustive study of maritime shipping lanes and determined that the Bermuda Triangle is not one of the world's 10 most dangerous bodies of water for shipping. The Bermuda Triangle sustains heavy daily traffic, both by sea and by air, and he is one of the most heavily traveled shipping lanes in the world. The Agonic Line sometimes passes through the Bermuda Triangle, including a period in the early 20th century. The Agonic Line is a place on Earth's surface where true north and magnetic north align, and there is no need to account for magnetic declination on a compass. The Bermuda Triangle is subject to frequent tropical storms and hurricanes. The Gulf Stream, a strong ocean current known to cause sharp changes in local weather, passes through the Bermuda Triangle. The deepest point in the Atlantic Ocean, the Milwaukee Depth, is located in the Bermuda Triangle. The Puerto Rico Trench reaches a depth of 27,493 feet, 8,380 meters, at the Milwaukee Depth.
So, the Bermuda Triangle, which was again another enigma of the previous generation, not anymore. These days, no ships go and crash in Bermuda Triangle. It's a difficult to navigate place. There was a documentary on the news channel showing how difficult it is to navigate the Bosphorus. The water body between two parts of Istanbul in Turkey is called Bosphorus. So, it's a difficult place to navigate. There are 8 radar stations which help the ships through these days. Earlier, many ships used to crash into something or the other. Now there are 8 radar stations guiding them through because it's a little complicated. It's like there'll be some road bends where every other day there'll be an accident. People will immediately say, there is some ghost waiting here causing accidents, gathering more ghosts. Bangalore-Mysore road, there was Kingeri. Every month, at least 3 to 5 people would die on this corner. It's just an upcoming road like this, it's a climb, sharp bend, it's a railway track below, a sharp bend like this, and it goes off this way. People come and every day crash into this culvert. Boards, dangerous, accident spot. Reading that, they think they must cause an accident. I don't know how many hundreds and hundreds of people have gotten killed on this bend. It was famous. So similarly, Bermuda Triangle is just a difficult place to navigate. Because it's an old volcanic spot, there are spears underneath, like small peaks underneath the sea. One should know and navigate. This keeps happening around the Italian coast also, because some places are not easy to navigate and negotiate. It takes a certain skill. And Today, these things have come down dramatically. Nobody goes and disappears into Bermuda Triangle because every ship has gadgets and gadgets which show everything. There are sonar readers, there are radars and radio altimeters and everything which shows you a million things. So people don't crash anymore. When captains of the ship were taking the ships into these kind of situations with only their visual and their own sensory capabilities, there was every chance for this to happen. So, people are always looking for intrigue. This is not a bad thing because these are all aspiring, aspiring students of mysticism. Because they didn't find a way, they invented something. Instead of discovering something, they invented something. So you don't invent anything. The important thing is you discover something. Discovery means it's about truth. Invention means you made it up. Don't make up anything. It's important to open the doors in the existence, not to imagine something.
A team of American scientists from the University of Colorado analyzed satellite weather images of this notorious area and noticed a series of unusual hexagonal clouds on them. The meteorologists theorized that these clouds might act like real air bombs. It's believed they are the main cause of the deadly blasts of air, which can easily exceed 170 miles per hour. These hurricane-force winds literally blow up the air and can generate waves of more than 45 feet in length. No ship can survive such a storm, and no aircraft can withstand such a wind. The announcement of this theory has motivated a lot of further research. Scientists from all over the globe are trying to figure out what the reason for such anomalies are. Do you know any other Bermuda Triangle stories? Share them on the comment.